So I know the sound is terrible, but one of the great things about coming to an RV show is all the vendor booths. Coming out here and seeing everything that you can attach to an RV, put in an RV, stick on an RV,
use in an RV.
Use an RV.
Yeah.
You know, you can order stuff online, but here you actually get to touch it, feel it, see it, and
ask questions,
and of course buy it.
Yes.
So
yes.
when you come to a big RV show, bring Visa or Apple Pay. But yeah, this is one of the greatest parts of coming out here, because your local RV shows, they might not have as many vendors, and like when you come to Florida, everybody's here.
You keep putting your hand in my drink.
So one of the fun parts of coming to an RV show as big as the Florida RV show, which is the biggest RV show in America, is the crowds. You better come with comfortable shoes and be ready for the crowds. So another beauty of coming to the big show is you're going to pay like $90 for a wrap. So it's actually not that much. But if you can bring snacks in, and in this case you can, we didn't, bring them in, because it does get spendy. Now, even though we did spend about $16 for these wraps
each.
Oh my goodness, they are so good.
Yeah, they are good.
They're really good.
$16 a piece.
Yep. So we're at our big meetup. Nice crowd here. My favorite so far. I couldn't believe when you texted like, I'm so nervous. I'm like,